Did you know that choosing a Lagersmit Retrofit can save you both time and money during a dry docking? Choosing retrofit is a lot easier than you might think. Let us explain what it actually involves, and I'll give you 3 reasons why we think you should consider it. A retrofit gives ship owners the opportunity to modernize their existing seal systems and benefit from low total cost of ownership. In many cases, your investment return can be achieved directly. Whether you want to retrofit a ship, pump or tidal turbine seal, this is a smart step towards reliability and peace of mind. As being green becomes more and more important, our products meet the latest environmental regulations, such as those related to zero emissions of oil. Take for instance our unique Supreme Ventus airtight seal system, which ensures compliance with the standards like the VGP and VIDA. The Supreme Ventus system has the option for remote monitoring. By choosing Lagersmit's original equipment, warranties and class approvals for seals are secured. Our retrofit services are designed for fast installation during dry dockings. Our seals are built up from a modular seal design. We carry an extensive raw material stock from seals ranging from 90 mm up to 1150 inner diameters. This ensures we can act fast and have a plug-and-play system available that is easy to install. Retrofit solutions can be shipped with short lead times. No quick fix, but quality from a seal expert with decades of retrofit experience. Choosing Lagersmit is choosing OEM quality. Retrofitting will increase reliability and reduce long-term maintenance costs. A retrofit is a lot easier than you might think. We manufacture everything in-house to ensure a perfect fit to your vessel. Are you excited and want more information? Don't hesitate to reach out to our sales team. We are happy to assist you.